we're gonna venture a new, sabihin na natin a new year, new challenges. But the gospel did not change over 2,000 years ago until now. The God that we serve did not change until now. He's the same yesterday, today, and tomorrow. And I always pray na hindi ako yung maalala ng tao, that the message that I'm proclaiming here, maalala sana nila si Jesus Christ. Maalala ninyo sana si Jesus Christ. It's not me. It's okay for me not to be recognized. It's okay for me not to have those kind of those compliments. But I want you to go ahead and remember who Jesus Christ is. For in Him you will find happiness and true joy in the person and in the life of Jesus Christ. And if you are satisfied with Him, hindi ka na maghahanap ng iba pang satisfaction. Believe me, I've been there. Hinanap ko, and I tried to have the satisfaction of the world. I tried. I even ran away from God. But the thing is, you cannot have that satisfaction without Jesus Christ Himself. Merong part sa buhay natin na kung saan we will long for more and more and more unless we know Jesus Christ and He's gonna fill it up for us. So that's the thing I want to leave with you all on that message. Forget me. Forget the things that I've said. Sorry, forget me. Forget how I said things. Forget how I presented how I did my videos, how awesome, how cool, how edited it was. But never forget the message that I proclaimed, and that is the love of the Lord Jesus Christ for us. That's what yun yung gusto kong maiwan in this 2020. Yun yung gusto kong maitatak sa bawat tao, sa bawat people na nanonood ng videos ko. It's not me, it's Jesus. It's not my message, it's His message. It's not my story, it's His story. It's not my life, it's His life. It's not how I presented the gospel, it's His gospel. It's not how I speak, but it's how He acted. It's not how did I get saved, it's how He saved. So ganun yung gusto kong maalala namin.